Hello KG2, good morning. So KG2, we are on in chapter number 11, how I travel in EVS, and in the last video class I had given you some of the oral questions along with some exercises, isn't it? And in the live class we had discussed that what are vehicles, what are wheels, what do vehicles do? How many wheels do different vehicles have? Okay, so again we will revise some of the last class questions and we will learn and study about some new questions, that too orally. Okay, so the first question is, how do you go to school? And the answer is, I go to school by bus. Second question, where does a bus run on? Bus कहाँ run करती है? So the answer is, a bus runs on road. Next question, what do vehicles do? Vehicles क्या करते हैं? Vehicles means गाड़ी. Vehicles take us from one place to another. Name some other vehicles that runs on road. Name some other vehicles that run on road, and they are car, jeep, train, van. Now the next question is, how many kinds of vehicles are there? Name them. So vehicles are divided on the basis of the route they go upon. Okay, लैंड पे चलते हैं तो लैंड व्हीकल्स हैं, अगर वो पानी पर चलते हैं तो वाटर व्हीकल्स हैं, और अगर हवा में जाते हैं तो दे आर air vehicles. So there are three kinds of vehicles: road vehicles, air vehicles, and water vehicles. Now the next is, name some road vehicles. Question number 7 I am at. Name some road vehicles, and the vehicles are bus, train, car, jeep, van. Next question, name some air vehicles. Now the vehicles that go through the air, जो हवा से होते हुए जाते हैं या आसमान में उड़ते हैं, those vehicles are called air vehicles, and they are aeroplane, helicopter, hot air balloon. What are air vehicles? They are aeroplane, helicopter, hot air balloon. Now some water vehicles, that means the vehicles that float on water or sail on water. That sail on water are ship, boat, canoe, and steamer. And do you know which is the fastest vehicle? Fastest vehicle मतलब जो vehicle हमें जो सबसे तेज चलता है. The vehicle which is the fastest is the aeroplane. Is the fastest vehicle. सबसे तेज vehicle aeroplane होता है. Now the last question is, name the number of wheels. Okay, these vehicles have. So the vehicle's name has been given. They have been given. You just have to say how many vehicles, how many wheels they do have. Like TRUCK, truck has 6 wheels. TRAIN, train has many wheels. रेलगाड़ी में बहुत सारी wheels होती हैं, है ना? Now the next is bicycle. Bicycle has TWO, 2 wheels. Bullock cart, TWO, 2 wheels. BOAT, boat. A boat has no wheel. बोट में तो कोई व्हील नहीं होता. CAR, car has FOUR, 4 wheels. Auto rickshaw, it has THREE, 3 wheels. BIKE, bike has TWO, 2 wheels. JEEP, jeep has 4 wheels. Now come to the notebook work that I had given you today. And the notebook work where we had to learn and write. You have to learn and write the following spellings. If you have not noted down that day, you can note it down now. The first word is VEHICLE, vehicle. Number 2, ROAD, road. Number 3, water, water. Number 4, air, air. Vehicle means गाड़ी, road, सड़क, water, पानी, air, हवा. Now the next is, here the question was, draw the number of wheels these vehicles have. ये vehicles में कितने wheels हैं that you need to draw. So TRUCK truck has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wheels. CAR car has 1, 2, 3, 4 wheels. BIK bike has 1, 2 wheels. AUTO auto has 1, 2, 3 wheels. A bicycle has 2 wheels and a jeep has 1, 2, 3, 4 wheels. And after the live class, I had given you this homework that you need to learn and write the spellings of BIK bike, AUTO auto, STAMAR steamer, HELICOPTER helicopter, and WHEEL wheel. And along with this, I had given you this homework, name these. That means you need to write any 3 land vehicles. जो vehicles land पे चलते हैं उनका नाम लिखना था इसमें. Now the second was water vehicles. That means the vehicles that run on water, you need to read. That sail on water, you need to write that. And name 3 air vehicles, and the answers are very easy, I know. You know the answers. Now the next we are going to do is, we are going to write fill-ups today. Today's exercise, CW, this is chapter 11, How I Travel, and the question is, again, name these. NAME, name. THESE, these. Name these. Number 1, THE, the. FAST, fast. EST, est, fastest. CLE, now tell me which is the fastest vehicle. सबसे तेज चलने वाली vehicle कौन है? It is aeroplane. AE, ro, plane. Aeroplane, aeroplane. Now number 2, vehicle. The, at, that. Her, as, has. Many. Vehicles, vehicle that has many. Wheels, vehicle that has many wheels. कौन से vehicles, vehicle में सब बहुत सारे wheels होते हैं. Yes, that vehicle is a train. Train. Now number 3. What is number 3? THREE, 3 kinds of vehicles. Now we need to write 3 kinds of vehicles. हमने पढ़ा है ऐसे? Yes, we have learnt it. Dash, comma, dash, comma, dash. So what are the 3 kinds of vehicles? We know it. Vehicles that run on land is called land vehicles. Vehicles that go through the air are called air vehicles, AIR, and the vehicles that sail on water are called water vehicles. Water. Water. Now the next question I am giving you as homework that you need to draw and color a car and a boat. So your today's homework is I am giving you here itself. In the blank page you need to draw homework. Put today's date. Today is 19th of December 2020. Your homework is DRAW, draw and color a land vehicle and a water vehicle. So the first vehicle that you need to draw is a car, and the second vehicle that you need to draw is a boat, and it is very easy. Let me show you. So what you need to draw for car? Just draw a rectangle like this. From this side, two wheels will be shown. So a wheel is round in shape. All of we know that. 1 and 2. And just color it. I am not coloring it, okay? Because I have left it for you. That how you like to color your car. Okay? Now, slanting up. From this side also slanting up. And join them. Put a line in between, and here the okay. Now the headlights. Now here come for the boat. It is very simple. Just draw a curve like this. Go slanting down from this side, slanting down from this side, and make waves as it is on water. And you can draw like this also. It will look like a boat only. Okay. Shall I tell you one more time the car? Because I am not liking it. A rectangle with a soft curve, with soft edges, two wheels, go slanting up, join them, give a line, and headlight. Okay, so KG2, this was the classwork for the day along with homework. So that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.